The Dodge Charger is one of many classic cars of the 1960s. Production of the Charger began in 1966 and continues today. The 1969 Dodge Charger RT was famous for its 426 Hemi V8 engine, producing 425 horsepower and 490 foot-pounds of torque. It also produced a top speed of 140 miles per hour. To boost sales of the car, Dodge made the Charger Daytona to race in NASCAR. The Charger Daytona dominated NASCAR races from 1969 till 1970. Plymouth Barracuda is one of the most iconic cars of the 60s and 70s. The 1964 Barracuda was developed to compete with the Ford Mustang, which was being developed at the same time. The Barracuda hit the market just 2 weeks before the Mustang did. The highest power engine option was a 273 cubic inch V8, which produced 180 horsepower. The Barracuda only cost $2,512. The Ford Mustang is considered to be the most iconic car of the 1960s. In the first year of production, Ford sold 400,000 cars, 4 times the expected amount, outselling the Plymouth Barracuda 5-1. The Mustang was the first of the American pony car class. Pony cars were affordable, sporty coupes. The Mustang cost only $2,368. The Corvette is another iconic car of the 60s. The first generation Corvette was introduced in 1953. The second generation, known as the Stingray, was introduced in 1963. The Stingray featured a distinctive tapering rear deck and a curved rear window. It also featured fiberglass body panels instead of metal ones. The design of the Stingray was inspired by a mako shark the designer caught while deep-sea fishing.